Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Ahmed and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to log out of Messenger easily. Okay, first of all, log out of your Facebook account. After that, open your Messenger app, then tap the Facebook icon over here. Then tap Home page, then tap 3 lines, then scroll down, then tap log out, then tap yes, then go back by clicking the arrow button over here, then hit OK. And like that you can log out of Messenger easily, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, see you in next video, bye.